Greenhouse Complex, Dnipro City. Construction object: electrical substation 35 for 10 kilovolts, cable line 35 kilovolts, on-site utilities 10 for 04 kilovolts. Work scope: receiving of technical conditions for connection to electric networks, development of design and estimate documentation, equipment supply, construction and mounting, startup and adjustment. Terms: start of work 1st of September 2016, facility commissioning 1st of December 2016. Involvement: 60 persons of staff, 15 units of special equipment. Facility power is 8,500 kilowatts. Construction of electric substation 35 for 10 kilovolts was fulfilled with installation of 4 power transformers of 6,300 kilovolt amperes power per unit. Construction of open distribution unit for 35 kilovolts. Construction of included outdoor distribution unit for 10 kilovolts. Installation of electric substation control modular building with relay protection of automation cabinets of own production. 2 mutual receiving cable lines of 3 km long were wired for electric substation power supply. Cable lines crossed Mokra-Sura River with utilizing the method of horizontal boring for 120 meters. 11 included transformer substations with total capacity of more than 11 megawatts were installed. Protected air track 10 kilovolt was constructed. More than 5 km of cable lines of 04 kilovolts were wired. All works were done in the shortest time. All works were quality controlled at every stage. EDS Engineering, Energy Under Control.